Hey lads, TechScanning here. So last year Xiaomi launched its first 200 megapixel camera smartphone, the Xiaomi 12T Pro. And now it seems like its successor, the Xiaomi 13T lineup, which will include Xiaomi 13T and the Xiaomi 13T Pro, will be the brand's next premium looking devices for the global market. The Xiaomi 13T series is likely to bring some significant upgrades over its predecessor, and guess what? Ahead of the launch date, we not only got the key specifications about the handsets, but also the pricing thanks to the Geekbench and Amazon listing. So as per Amazon, the lineup will go official globally on the 1st of September, and both Xiaomi 13T and the Pro model will debut with the higher 144Hz refresh rate display panel, most likely with the same 6.67 inches screen size. Usually such a higher refresh rate is given on gaming phones for a smooth gaming experience, so it is good that the customer will also get a taste of gaming devices. For the cameras, unfortunately the Amazon listing doesn't reveal any specific sensor or whether if the 13T Pro is going to use the same 200 megapixel sensor as its predecessor. However, interestingly, this year the device will feature Leica tuned camera system, which is something we missed on the last year's model. Now, this could be a good camera improvement. Typically, Xiaomi offers Leica tuned camera system on its main flagship phones, as we have seen on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra that is known as one of the best camera phones. Of course, at the moment it is hard to tell, but hopefully we will get a noticeably better photography experience on the Xiaomi 13T Pro. Now, speaking of the performance, a Geekbench listing just revealed that the Xiaomi 13T Pro will be based on MediaTek's Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, which has a max speed of 3.35 GHz. It is almost the same as the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2, which clocked at 3.36 GHz. However, if we look at the Geekbench scores, Snapdragon has an edge over Dimensity chipset, both in terms of single and multi-core scores. But here is the thing, benchmarking doesn't reflect the real-life usage, so in real life, you don't even notice the difference. Further, Geekbench revealed that one of the 13T Pro variants will run on the 16GB of RAM. As per the Amazon listing, Xiaomi 13T Pro will start at £799, while the basic 13T is said to be priced at £599. And unlike the current trend, both handsets are likely to be shipped with the charging brick. So what do you think about the Xiaomi 13T series? Share your thoughts below in the comment section. Of course, I will keep you updated on this, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.